Hello devs, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to install a React Vite project in our mission. So Vite is a build tool for web applications and it is faster than React app alone. So this is my main stack dev folder. I want to install in this folder. So to install Vite, we have a command npm create Vite. So I want to install latest version of Vite. Simply pass @latest. So this will create my Vite project. So let's enter. So this will give you a default project name as a Vite project. So if you want a different name, so you can modify here. Uh, React Vite project. So this is my project name. So this is a package name. You can enter. This is optional, and you can see there are different frameworks: vanilla and Vue, React Lite, and so I am selecting React. So I want to install React White project. So I am selecting React. So select variant. If you want TypeScript, you can select TypeScript. So I want JavaScript. So I'm selecting JavaScript. So my React White, you can see my React White project is installed successfully. So you can see done, and now run these commands. So you need to run these commands. So cd React White project. There is okay, my project doesn't allow spaces, so I'm renaming it to, and so I removing space. So let's enter. So let's run again. Cd React White project. So this navigates to our root file. So now next you need to run npm install. Just waits for some time to install all the dependencies. So my all the dependencies are installed successfully. Next you need to run this command npm run dev, and this will start our project. Simply npm run dev. So, so my project is starting, and my project is started successfully, and this is my localhost server where my project is started. So follow link. So this is my live server hosting at 5137. So this is my project, React plus White project. So there is a function for increasing count here. So if you want to modify, so navigate to our main folder and then source and then app.jsx. So this is our main file. If you want to remove, so simply remove. I'm removing all the code. I'm simply passing hello man stack dev. and you can see the hello main stack dev. This is how you can install a React wide project. So this gives faster development than create React app.